Hey guys, quick video for you on how you can connect your HP monitor to Xbox. So it's super simple. When you're gonna have on the Xbox, I don't know what kind of Xbox you got, but you're gonna have Xbox, let's say HDMI port here. So what you have to do is that you want to locate the HDMI port on your monitor, like connect both the HDMI cable to port and the other to the source device to the Xbox. And then when you're gonna connect it together, and let's say that you don't, it should work. Now, let's say that you don't have the HDMI on your monitor from HP. Then what you need to do, you need to change the strategy. You need to connect it with the adapter, and it's going to look like this. So if you have VGA, it's going to look like this. Then you need to have a VGA adapter that you would connect. So here you would have, I'm going to use the pen here for you to understand. So you can have your monitor, right? And your monitor is going to have VGA, and this is Xbox. Then you're going to insert the VGA here, and with the cable, you're going to use the adapter, which is going to be VGA adapter. So you're going to VGA to VGA, and then VGA will have adapter to the HDMI. And that HDMI is going to go to your Xbox HDMI port. Do you understand that? I hope it makes sense, because to me it makes sense. So you're going to have VGA on your monitor through the VGA connector that got ending HDMI, and that HDMI is going to go to Xbox. And you got it.